Jim wants to make some muffins for his friend's birthday. What does this have to do with writing rational numbers as fractions and terminating decimals? I'll show you. Jim's searching the internet for a good recipe. Finally, he finds some really yummy-looking muffins. Many of the ingredients are written as decimals of cup measurements. But when he looks at his measuring cup, all of the measurements are given in fractions. We can help Jim transform those fractions into decimals. Let's start with 1/2. Fractions are just unsolved division problems. 1/2 is the same as saying 1 divided by 2. To solve this by hand, you must write the fraction as a long division problem. How many times does 2 go into 1? That's hard to say. We know that our answer is going to be a decimal that is less than 1. So let's put a 0 and a decimal above the division bar and rewrite 1 as 1.0. Now we can ignore the decimals for a bit. Instead of thinking about how many times 2 goes into 1, we can think about how many times 2 goes into 10. 2 times 5 is 10. So you can write the 5 after the decimal above and subtract 10 just like regular long division. 10 minus 10 is 0. The 0 remainder tells us that we have finished the problem. 1 divided by 2 is 0.5 or 0.5. Let's try the same strategy with 1/4. 1/4 is the same as 1 divided by 4, which can be rewritten as a long division problem. Because 4 doesn't go into 1, you should add a decimal place and a 0 after the 1, as well as a 0 and a decimal above the division line, as in the previous example.
To keep on learning, just follow the link in the video description. You'll get the full video and lots of fun interactive practice problems to test your knowledge.